Kid Too Technical. I'm back again with another video, and today, as you can see, Tudia was kind enough to send me out their merge case for the OnePlus 12. So they sent me out the black variant and this green looking color here. These have MagSafe capability in the back, so pretty much it's a two-part case. So I'm just going to walk you around the case on the device. So pretty much you do get your volume up and down button, power button, which is nice and clicky. Get your volume up and down button, as you can see, nice clicky, no problem. At the top here you get your cutouts or your IR blaster, something else there. I love Tudia cases, and I'm glad they had made cases for the OnePlus 12, because as you know, a lot of phone case companies do not make cases for the OnePlus 12, but I'm glad that Tudia was a brand that wanted to make cases for the OnePlus 12. On the back here, you do get a big, nice cutout for your camera. So I think if you place it down flat on the table, you should be good to go. I may probably need to get me a camera lens, because this is a big camera. I usually do not use camera lens protectors, but this camera is huge, so I probably will have to get a camera lens protector for this one. Get access to your alert slider there, notification slider, and at the bottom here you get all the ports you should have. So I'm just going to take the black one off, put on the green one real quick, but I know I'm probably going to rock the black one more than this green one. Really not a fan of green, but this does still look nice too. If you're a fan of green. It says Tudia at the bottom, and like I said, this does have MagSafe capability to where you could place it on your USB, your MagSafe charger, and it will charge your device just like that. So pretty much these are some nice quality looking and feeling cases. I actually rock this exact case on my Google Pixel Fold. I will put a link in the description to where you can go pick these cases up for yourself. But I hope you found this video helpful. I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.